How will you promote quality clubs? How will you promote quality clubs?
For me, quality means it is one of the values of Toastmasters that we promote in our clubs. So to promote quality, the main agenda or the main conviction that we should have is to conquer the most important thing, that is the quality meetings. The quality meetings will actually incur that we have quality in our clubs. This will also bring the motivation to the club members that they are here for what they value. They're here to grow and they are here to do what they wanted to do. The first and foremost thing is to understand why they are here in Toastmasters. That will be promoted in the clubs by the members of the clubs and by the mentors of the clubs. And hence, we will be able to promote quality by bringing in the motivation and by bringing in the power of all the members together.
How will you achieve the district mission? How will you achieve the district mission?
The district mission clearly states that we have to promote new clubs and also to support our clubs. So the first and foremost thing that I will be doing is to find out where we are not having much of the community clubs and college clubs, because right now in our division, as we see, we are more of corporate clubs. So the first and foremost thing will be to promote more of community and college, and thus bringing the a mixture of all the 3 C's, that is community, corporate, and college.
What innovative approaches will you bring to this role? What innovative approaches will you bring to this role?
As we see in the recent scenarios that we are moving to hybrid right now, the first thing that I would want to promote or I would want to bring to the table is to promote these new hybrid models, and thus from the division bring new innovative ideas to how we can have hybrid meetings. For example, I'm from Capgemini Toastmasters Club, and we have already been doing hybrid meetings before the COVID times. So thus it will make my job easier to guide the clubs in our division so that they can promote hybrid model in their own environment.
What would be the biggest challenge for area directors in the next term? What would be the biggest challenge for area directors in the next term?
The biggest challenge, as I see for the area directors, is conducting an offline contest. Right now, we have all been in the online contest and it has been just the Zoom world. But as we move to the offline and hybrid models, the biggest challenge that we will see is conducting and coming back to the offline contest, because again, conducting meetings offline, having those areas or having those venues offline will be one of the biggest challenge that my area directors will face in the recent scenario.
How will you address low member clubs in your division, including your own club? How will you address low member clubs in your division, including your own club?
First and foremost thing that I would try to understand is why we are actually lagging behind in the clubs. Again, the quality of the clubs comes into picture. Are we having regular meetings? For example, in the recent scenario, also one of my clubs is not conducting meetings regularly, or they're lagging, and thus the quality lags or the members lag here. So first and foremost is to address that if the quality is coming into picture in the meetings, are they conducting good amount of meetings? Do they have mentors? So by addressing these issues, we will have ideas, for example, mentor pools, so that each and every member has access to mentors and they are able to conduct meetings. They are able to go above and beyond the club also in the district, area, and division.
What will be your strategy to promote Toastmasters to non-members that live in our district? What will be your strategy to promote Toastmasters to non-members that live in our district?
The first and foremost idea is to conduct membership drives. For example, I in Capgemini Toastmasters Club led a membership drive that actually brought new freshers into picture. So we used to conduct these drives every Friday, which actually helped us to promote the word of Toastmasters in our own organization. The next move forward will be to have corporate leadership coming into picture so that they also know that Toastmasters, what is the value of Toastmasters and how we are bringing those values into picture in their corporate leadership or in their members or in their employees. So that will be my idea.
For a district already saturated with clubs in Bangalore divisions, what are your plans to address growth in your division? For a district already saturated with clubs in Bangalore divisions, what are your plans to address growth in your division?
I don't think we have completely saturated clubs in our Bangalore district. There are so many startups coming into picture there where we can promote Toastmasters and where we can go ahead with clubs. So the idea is to again go above and beyond and promote the value of Toastmasters and what Toastmasters can bring to the table. So thus conducting membership drives,
Thank you, Toastmaster Yashika. Thanks for stepping up and volunteering for taking up a district leader role. All the best for your journey.